Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Bijay here, and today is my big day for because I am finally taking my UK car theory test. I'll show you how I prepared, what document you need, and my real experience on the test day. This is my first UK theory test. I'll share with experience. Before you go for your theory test, make sure you have a provisional driving license with photo card. That's the most important thing. If you still have the old stale paper license, you also need a valid passport as an ID. You can bring your email confirmation on your phone. It is optional, but they must just need a provisional license. No photocopy, no photos. It's only original card. To prepare, I used two of the official DVSA app. It has mock test, road sign, and a hazard preparation practice. I study a few minutes every day, and mostly in evening, and they are really help. They keep consistent a little bit. The daily work better than one long day study. Alright, heading to the test center, feeling a mix of nervous and excited. Remember, you can't take your phone inside, but they will give you a locker to keep your things safe. Once you check in there, scan your license, take a quick photo, and assign your seat. You sit with the 50 multiple choice question, and you can flag any question to review later. Then after the hazard precaution test is the 14th click, and click when you see developing hazard, not every small thing. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope this video helped you feel more confident before you want the test. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next vlog about the UK practical test. See you soon. Drive safe. Thank you so much. Keep watching, keep support. Thank you.